Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your location on the Bumble dating app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bumble application on your device. And once you open it up, log into your account if you haven't done so already using your email address and your password. Once you have logged in, you will be taken into the People page from which you can swipe right or swipe left on various different profiles. Now, if you wish to hide your current location within this application, then tap on the profile option at the bottom left corner and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. Now, within this page, you will see various different options. These include the incognito mode, which will also hide your profile, and there is also the option to change your location. Just tap on your current location option and you can use the travel mode feature in order to change your location to a completely new one. And while this is not a direct way to hide your location, you will still be able to use an alternate location and your actual location will not be revealed to anyone. If you use the incognito mode, then this will only hide the distance indicator. Once you tap on travel mode, you can simply type in the location that you would like to change to and then tap on the search box to activate and use this service. You may be needed to upgrade to a premium paid option in order to use this feature, however. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to hide your location on the Bumble dating app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.